Getting a better grip on your phone is a great idea, but all these flimsy accessories look like bad prizes at the bottom of a cereal box. Silly grips are for kids. They're hunks of cheap plastic that barely stick to your phone or fit in your pocket.
Well, we're sick and tired of messing around with these toys.
And luckily, we're a team of engineers with lasers and other badass tools. So, we spent the last year designing this, the Tango. An ultra-thin phone grip forged from aerospace-grade stainless steel and deployed with the push of a button. Here's how it works. With one hand, simply flip, slip, and grip your phone
in any orientation.
Inside, the Tango Helix is engineered to gently pull your hand and phone together into a safe, almost romantic embrace. To create this relationship, we've invented a process to fabricate the Helix with steel, cover it with a polyester resin, and stick it to your phone with an adhesive typically reserved for aircraft. And I know what you're asking. Isn't that overkill?
No, it isn't overkill. And don't ask me that question again.
Because the result is an extremely comfortable and incredibly secure attraction to your phone. And thanks to an A in differential geometry and a few micromagnets, the Tango collapses to an imperceptible 2.9 millimeters. That means it's 1/3 as thick, twice as pocketable, and 10 times cooler than cheap plastic toys. And I haven't even mentioned, it's a stand too. Precision-cut detents in the base plate allow you to lock the top and support your phone on any flat surface. And if you mount the Tango on the bottom of your phone, you can also use it as a portrait stand. So press the Tango button for safer selfies. Navigate the city while only looking at your phone. Or just stare blankly into the glow of a screen. This is not a toy. This is the Tango.